check it out here. So many weeds here. Here. Here we clean up. But that's so many weeds. And garden too there. Clean up today. This. Maybe I can finish this. Clean up this before but not yet done. That my apple tree here. This here have a little bit leaves now. Maybe some is dying. Cannot tell if dying or not. And have there my garden. Clean up. Okay guys, we start na. So many weeds here. That's so hard.
Hi. Friday. Yeah. Whoa, go by the
Here's our
Trucks are hard. The race for that's or that's where it can be monster trucks. You know. Ram into the wall.
Okay, go there. There he is, RJ playing.
Uses about anything about his racing. Riding up on the dirt. Crash.
Dirty your monster jam now.
No. BKT.
Take off your boots, it's dirty now. Change to my other boots there in the mud. Boots, RJ.
No.
So now,
Good,
dirty
by
now, RJ.
The HUD.
Your
Oh my-
boots.
Okay. Here we go.
Okay, go now, go. Go change.
Okay. Can you put my shoes here?
Woo.
We should take them.
Okay, go.
Up there.
Dirty your socks. Here is RJ.
He's kicked by the bus.
Here he is.
Kicked by the bus.
Ow!
John? There.
Wait.
Hi. They go back and something. Whoa.
So hard this weeds, RJ.
My makers are out. Now they go. Now they have to go that bag. Yeah. Yeah, monster truck tires being on bumps. That's I'm going the bag now. Now we go the bag. Go to bag. Bam. Bam. They go in the bag for nothing. This monster truck. This monster truck. Monster truck. my monster trucks.
You sure? Okay,
Yeah.
yes, you.
I showed it already.
You-
Yeah, hold it.
Okay, in the front of the camera.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
tell the
yeah, I picked it up.
okay, tell the viewer that I have no surgeon and tell them you got shoot. Yeah.
I did that already.
Yes, clean now. See? Have no more weeds. Look at that. It's nice. Have no more weeds. RJ is there. RJ, look at. Wow, RJ is a garbage man.
Hey, you want to go to the basement?
No, we're not going. We're going to clean up the garden